Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a sun wearing fun sunglasses. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the circle part of our sun, and I know you can't see it, but I am tracing a cup on my tablet, so you can get anything that would make a perfect circle, or if you don't have anything, you can draw a circle. Awesome. And next I'm going to draw the sun's rays. So I'm going to start here at the top, and I'm going to draw like little triangle shapes going all the way around my sun. And I'm going to do some short ones, and then some tall triangles. And we're going to do this going all the way around. And one more little one and connect. Pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. Next, I'm going to draw my son's sunglasses. And to help me center this, I'm going to put a little dot right here. This is about the center between this line and this line. And I'm going to draw a line going straight across to that dot. And then another line on the other side. And then we can connect it. Two little lines that'll be like the center of our sunglasses. All right, let's jump over here to the left, and we're going to do a big U shape. So a U shape that goes down, and it's going to connect right here to this line. So a big U shape and connect it. And we're going to do the same thing on the right side. We're going to try to make it about the same size. So we'll start here. Big U shape and connect. Now to draw the inside of the sunglasses, we're going to make the same shape except on the inside. So I'm going to start right about here and draw a line going across. And then a U shape underneath. Same on the right, we're going to draw a line going across. And notice how I left a little opening on the left and right side. And then our U shape. And then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines, kind of a long one and then like a shorter one. Like the sun reflecting off the glass. And then my sun is going to be looking at the ocean. So on the inside of the glasses, I'm going to make waves. So I'm going to go down just a little bit, start right about here, and make little waves on the inside of my sunglasses. That looks awesome. And I'm gonna give my son a smile. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks fantastic. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.